Is Daddy getting Mommy in the shot? I hope not. Good. Hey, Banksy, is she turning on the charm? Can you turn on the charm? Yeah, oh my, yes you can. I guess you can.
I think because she just took a crap.
You just know. I think she knows the camera's on her and she's turning it up a notch, as they say.
She just farted.
I don't smell it.
Somebody's blushing.
Look at your beautiful eyelashes. Does the camera catch your baby acne?
It's HD.
Great. Your complexion will be forever immortalized. Oh, she got the hiccups too. You gotta stop drinking so much. How do you like Kauai so far, Banksy? It's fantastic. How do you like the tropical air? That's fantastic. Oh, are you getting Mommy in the shot?
Yes.
Why?
Why not?
She wants to be behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Like a stage
I'm talking a lot.
But she wants to be voiceover, not live action. Your hair's nice and sweaty from the moisture.
Yeah, wearing a jacket.
Sexy. You like your mauve jumpsuit? Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. Are you ticklish under your arms yet? No. Some babies aren't ticklish.